Good morning, YouTube. Today on Exploring with Daja, we are making our way to Coroni. But I'm sad to announce that my friend Uday Ramkisun, who is Guyanese, will not be joining our trip today because he has been deported. I really hope he will be joining us on the next episode because I really do like his Noah for road tripping. So we stopped in district Saramaka to buy some food, only to find out that the restaurants aren't open yet. The market is open, so let us see what kind of goods they are selling to fill the stomach. Aren't you getting food, Check?
No, I brought my own bontot. Bontot is food from home.
What did your mom make you?
Rice with chicken and vegetables.
So it looks like we are having a forced pit stop because one of my friends, his car has overheated for some reason. That's why on a road trip you always check your car. I took the opportunity to visit the local fish market. It's not hard to spot. It is situated alongside the Osas Verbinding when taking the road from Paramaribo to Coroni. We sell all kinds of stuff, from fish obviously to some chips, plantain chips and cassava chips. Let us update. Our good friend Shiven Kalu is on his way to the rescue. He has a pickup truck and the pickup truck is going to tow us from Saramaka to Paramaribo. I hope this doesn't hinder the trip to Coroni because I really was looking forward to this trip. Shiven has come to the rescue. I can't show you the car he's towing because the owner of the car doesn't want me filming it. But Shivendra has come to the rescue. Our day might still be safe. So we finally made it to Coroni, also nicknamed the Coconut District. We are now waiting for my other friends and we're going to decide what we are going to do in Coroni. We heard that there's a creek in this area and maybe we'll go see the dam. So I asked a local stranger for some direction to the creek, but he was nice enough to show the way and we're now following him to the creek. Finger crossed he doesn't rob us. We just arrived at the creek that went viral on Facebook about 2 years ago. It appears to be a dam. The dam was built by houses to prevent the water from going out from the rice field. That's what a local explained to me. Are you going to swim?
No.
Why not?
It looks dirty.
But that's what we came for.
Pictures tell otherwise.
In Totnes, the capital city of Coroni. Coroni is actually the smallest populated district in Suriname, with inhabitants ranging around 3,400. Like many other districts, Coroni heavily relies on agriculture, and it's really known for its coconut and rice plantations. So this has been my trip to Coroni. I hope you enjoyed today's content, and if you did enjoy today's content, please consider subscribing to my channel. And I'll see you in my next adventure.